Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video on the channel. Now in this video, we are going to be going over my opinion on potentially making some good money over the next couple months during this bull market. But before we get into it, please hit the like button, subscribe down below if you want to, and turn the notifications on so you don't miss a future video. Make sure to go follow me over on Twitter at JPKDefi, links in the description. Also, go and subscribe to the email newsletter completely free, and the Discord servers are also down below as well. And with that said, I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and be very careful about what you're investing in crypto and DeFi because it is the riskiest stuff in the world. With that said, let's jump into it. So as we all know, Solana has been going absolutely crazy recently, and so have the Solana meme coins. I'm sure if you're on Twitter, that is all you have been seeing recently is people making ridiculous gains with the Sol network. So Solana's almost at $200. The all-time high for this is 250, I believe. It did reach a low of like, yeah, $10 back last year. So if you bought this, you'd be up very nicely right now. So yes, there's still opportunity to make money on the Solana network, in my opinion, and on the Solana ecosystem with buying and selling meme coins. I've made a little bit here and there with some meme coins, but the problem is when everyone's talking about it on Twitter, everything's kind of blowing up. You know, you're seeing it everywhere. The train has left the station. Yes, you can still jump on at the next stop, but the train has left the station for Solana. In my opinion, anyway, during this sort of local pump, if you like, I do still believe we're in a bull market. That's no surprise, obviously. Bitcoin way past its all-time high at 73K the other day, and everything going absolutely crazy. So, but in this sort of local kind of market right now, I believe the Solana chain ecosystem, yes, you can still potentially benefit from it with a lot of the tokens on there, but you know, we're not early to it, right? Solana has been kicking off all this year. So what's the next opportunity like Solana? Well, you've been seeing all the Sol meme coins recently. Now, if you're not up to date on Base Chain, Base has been causing a lot of hype in the market recently. And I believe we're going to see a crazy, crazy, crazy Base meme coin season or Base season for two reasons. One, they're creating a lot of hype and they want, well, there's quite a few reasons actually. Base is Coinbase's chain, right? It's made by Coinbase. That's one reason. Coinbase has a ton of users. So if they can migrate Coinbase users onto the Base chain, that's going to be great. Second, they don't yet have a native gas token. Now, it hasn't been confirmed that they will be creating one, but there has been rumors that there will be a Base coin come out very soon. That's another reason. So what that means is if you're active on Base, you're making swaps, you know, we're providing liquidity on Base, whatever it is, if you're interacting with the Base chain, you will potentially, if they do come out with a token, you may get an airdrop of Base token. That's another reason, because people are going to make free money on there, so they're going to use the chain. Another reason is because if you guys remember back, if you remember SocialFi, social finance, that whole hype during the bear market, towards the end of the bear market, and if you remember Friendtech, I did make a few videos on it and I was pretty bullish on it for a good while. And then it kind of died off, the hype died off. But if you remember from Friendtech, every single week, Friendtech would airdrop points into your Friendtech account. And it always said that it will be used for future, the points will be used for later Friendtech uses. And it has been confirmed that there will be a Friendtech token when they do launch. Now, they have said that Friendtech is launching on the week of April 20th, 420, right? So that means Friendtech will be airdropping tokens. Now, you can, I believe you can actually sell your Friendtech tokens over on, over black market, over the counter right now for, I believe, $4 to $6 a token. Just over the counter. So imagine when that token actually launches. There's a lot of rumors again. Nothing's confirmed, so don't take this as financial advice. And I'm definitely not a financial advisor. But if Friendtech drops their token and airdrops, you know, people's tokens that were on Friendtech, that's going to be a massive amount of money, on the Base network. Now, I have a good few thousand points over on Friendtech, and it's been rumored that the tokens will drop between $10 and $30 a point, roughly. And you can sell them right now for between $4 and $6 per token. So Pretty interesting stuff there with Friendtech launching, with Coinbase not yet having a token. So people are expecting them to fully launch a native gas token, something like Solana has. And then also because it's a cheap, the chain is very cheap. It's on MetaMask. It's a good chain, and it's fairly new, and also it's Coinbase owned. So there's a lot of reasons why Coinbase will have a pump, will have a run. And if Friendtech does airdrop between $10 and $30 a token, there's going to be a ton of liquidity on Base because, again, there was a lot of users on Friendtech, a hell of a big community with a lot of money, and all of that money is going to be, airdrop back to people from the Friendtech tokens, and there's going to be a lot of money on the Base chain. So with all that being said, I think Base is going to have a crazy run, in my personal opinion. I also think AVAX is going to have a run, which we'll go over in just a second here. But I do believe Base is going to have a run. So that means Base tokens. Okay, how do you take advantage of this upcoming potential run on Base? Well, for me, what I've done is I have loaded up on some meme coins. Now, again, I'm not a huge fan of meme coins. Not because you can't make money. You can make a ton of money with meme coins, but it's a lottery, right? It's a complete gamble. I don't really like gambling with my money. I like putting it in terms of like large chunks of money. Sure, I'll throw a couple $100 at some of these meme coins. That's fine, but I'm not going to chuck a good few $1,000s at these meme coins. So I don't like gambling in big chunks. A couple $100 here, 0.1 ETH there, sort of thing on a meme coin is fine. But I don't really like gambling massively on meme coins. But, okay, this is a huge but. I do think Base is going to have a run. So that means you got to take advantage of the chain somehow, right? And if they don't have a token yet, how do you do that? Well, it's exploring tokens that are already on the network. So Brett is one of them. Brett has been going crazy, as you can see. Now, yes, granted, these meme coins have taken off already, and they have had a bit of a run. But if the Base chain does have a cycle like I think it's going to have, then these meme coins are going to go absolutely crazy. I mean, we're going to see another episode of Dog with Hat, etc., etc., in my opinion. Anyway, so Brett is the first one. Normie is the other one that I have picked. Now, again, none of this is financial advice, by the way. I don't care if you buy these tokens or not. Definitely not trying to get you to pump my bags. If that's what you're thinking, I really couldn't care less if you buy these tokens or not. To be completely honest, I've thrown literally a few $100 at all of these, and it's just my personal opinion. So, yeah, take that as you will. Normie is another one that I believe in. And then we also have Toshi, which I have had and made some good money on so far. And then we also have Mochi. So those are the 4 meme coins that I have put money in on Base, waiting to see if there is an upcoming Base season, which I do think that there will be. Now, another season that I think is coming up, and that we all know is coming up, is the gaming cycle. Now, what chains are going to run on the gaming cycle? I think one of the main ones is going to be AVAX. AVAX has the infrastructure and the team that's been working on it for a very, very, very long time. So potentially grabbing some AVAX isn't a bad idea. I mean, the all-time high for AVAX is 130. We're currently sat at 56. That's like just under a 3x. Now, I bought some AVAX back in November, around $20, $25, something like that. And yeah, I do believe AVAX is going to have a run as well with a lot of the gaming tokens, such as Gala Games. You've got Player 3, Thrill. Yeah, basically, yeah, Gala, you can see here trending. Now, even if you go to the category and you go to gaming, this is CoinGecko that I use, by the way, in pretty much all my videos. So if you go to GameFi and have a look, Gala is one of them. Pretty much all of these that I have starred in my portfolio are the ones that I like. So Gala, Axie Infinity, Sandbox, Echelon. I do think a lot of these are going to run, potentially Naka again, maybe. And a lot of these meme coins that did go last time, I do believe are going to have another run as well as AVAX. There's 3 all right there. So again, take this as you will. DeFi Kingdoms as well has a fantastic infrastructure and ecosystem with a dual token. So yeah, I think Base is going to have a crazy run, and I also think gaming coins are going to have a crazy run. So if you think you're too late to the Solana game and you don't really like using Solana, whatever the case may be, then potentially look at a Base run and a gaming coin run on the AVAX network as well. So guys, thank you for watching. And as well, another good reason for both of these cases with Base and AVAX is that, the people that have made a bunch of money on Sol, first of all, congratulations. Just make sure that you take money off the table and invest it in real life assets and get some cash flow with this newfound crazy money that you may have made on Solana. But secondly, if they're going to keep that in crypto, they're going to try and chase the next pump. And if that is going to be base, which I see a lot of possibilities for, and then with the upcoming gaming run that I think is going to happen, there you go. You have your, they're going to need that. They're going to push that money, and the money just going to funnel into other chains, right? And other trends. So that's my opinion. Again, we're just kind of guessing here. No one knows, but those are my thoughts, and I have positioned myself for the base run. I still need to buy these gaming coins. I do have AVAX, but other than that, I don't have anything else. I do need to buy some gaming tokens. But guys, thank you for watching. Let me know down below what you think of a possible base chain run as well, and let me know if you are, if you're preparing for it. One more thing to look at is this is the chart of base on DeFi Llama since December. Now, as you can see, things are at the max. They've been, actually, I think it's at an all-time high. Yeah, base is at an all-time high. It did just launch back in August. But yeah, base is at an all-time high right now for volume and TVL. So take that as you will. But again, it looks like people are kind of sharing similar thoughts. But yeah, let me know what you think. Do you think a base will run? I personally think base is going to have a crazy run, but again, my personal opinion. But thank you guys for watching. Let me know down below what you think, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.